Oh, Lucy, why do you always stop everything? It's just like get the camera out. Lucy, where's Brian? Where's Brian?
Oh, you found me. What a good girl. What a difficult task that must have been.
Oh, she's done. No, she's not. Oh, she's done.
I don't have to wash my hair in the morning.
It's making me ticklish just watching it.
Arguably, this is my fault.
Lucy, why are you licking the top of his head?
No, stop. She's just too tired.
No, she's not.
Oh no!
She's a little wound up.
She's very wound up.
Oh. Lucy? Where's Brian?
No.
He's not under there. Oh, you found your bowl. Oops, where'd it go?
Just all one video.
It's a long one. It's going to end up being like 2 gigs, which is 1/15 of the original storage capacity that Aprimo gave us.
Okay.
Lucy? Where's Brian? Where's Brian?
Just leave me alone. Stop. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Down. Good girl, you found me.
She looks really calm.
Sleep.
What do you think of that, Goose?
How tired she is. Stop tormenting her.
Alright, I'm going to bid farewell. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Lucy.